Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can blur the background of your photos using the application that it's called Facetune, okay? So let's go straight to my phone so you can see it. I'm gonna go and open the Facetune application. And I'm gonna select the photo that I want to edit. Let's say I want to select this picture and I want to edit the background, okay? I'm gonna select the defocus option here. And you can say auto. I usually use auto and just fix it if there's something to fix. But let's just do auto. And you can play a little bit with this option. You can just diminish how blurred do you want your picture to be, and in this case it's not blurred. Now if you move it to the right, you can see the intensity of the blur or the blurriness is more, okay? Sometimes if I have a hand like this, my fingers won't be very lined and they can be sometimes blurred. Let's see, for example here there's a little bit of my arm right here that it's blurred. So I'm gonna select and tap on the eraser right here. And I am going to unblur my arm. And you can see right here that if you touch it right here again, you can see that under the focus, you can see that sometimes you couldn't do it very well. So I'm gonna do it again. So right here, there it is. And then you can just make the amount of blurriness again the same as the rest of the picture. And that's it. You just tap on the check mark right here and you got it blurred right here. It looks much better with a blurred background. You just need to do a final step, which is tap on save right here, and the picture will be saved in your photos. You just open your photos, it will be here on the most recent photos, and here it is. And that's it. It's really easy to use this application, and the only thing that you need to do is to look for it on the App Store, and you just go to App Store and look for Facetune. Is the Facetune 2 editor by Lightning, and it's 45 Canadian dollars for a year of that subscription. But I usually love this application. I do really recommend it. I use it to edit the photos that I use for my thumbnails. It's an unlimited access for 1 year and its price is $44.99. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.